What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Do your own research, man. When it comes to the stocks you choose, man, we're giving out free game for you, man. I just want to show you guys a little price action. Something that I use. I don't use indicators. Only thing I use is the moving averages. Other than that, simple price action. I usually trade off the 5 to 10 minute um, as my entry points, and I watch the bigger time frames. I just do trend lines, um, and levels. That's all I use. I don't use indicators. So just to show you guys some price action. This is today's price action, specifically for the sell-off. They traded up. They went from a small range to the bigger range, the highest level, and they sold all the way off. So I got short around 454. That's 45.40 um, areas. So I got short and I wrote it down to the bottom of the range and I got out. Um, just simple price action, man. This isn't, especially with the S&P, it isn't difficult. This is on the 5 minute time frame. Um, as you can see, it's a little more information on the 5 minutes, a little more detailed. Um, Tougher entry points, so I don't really, especially like the 1 minute and 5 minute. I don't really use those for an entirety, just for entry points. So just simple price action. You're using key levels and trend lines, two-legged moves, up or down, and key levels. So I try to take this least amount of trades as possible, and that's gotten me the most success. Just be patient. Um, the opening trade is usually the best trade for me, and that's just my opinion. So I mean, everybody has their own strategies. Everybody use their own indicators, but I believe that reading the price chart, um, uh, like Thomas Wade and Pat and guys like that, people who trade the futures, those are usually the best traders to me, in my opinion. Like I said, reading the price action, they always give you the information. If it's a wrong, if it's a losing trade, like options are a little more difficult. But if it's a losing trade, it's probably because you read the price action incorrectly. So I mean, the market gives you uh, it unfolds itself. So I do use the moving averages, and I don't really scalp. I try to hit key levels. So I try to go for uh, 10 points at least in my trades. So I mean that's just my strategy. So just a little update for you guys. Trend lines, two-legged moves up, two key levels or two-legged moves down. Um, Bullish biases in ranges and bearish uh, imbalances. So bullish imbalances and bearish imbalances. When it comes to ranges, trading ranges are usually the easiest days. So just a little strategy for you guys. Um, simple price action. That's what I use. So I keep you guys updated on my trades. Um, I also took a short on who did I traded today? I think it was Square. I had a put on Square as well and rolled them down significantly all the way down to a major key level. I caught them at the high of the day and rode them all the way down during this sell-off. So I'm put season all day until we see a level around 4,400, 4,300 to 4,400 on the S&P, and I will be loading up on some more SoFi. So, not financial advice. Do your own research, and I see you guys tomorrow.